Good morning. This is Frank with the Morning Quick Shot, brought to you by Trade Stalkers and Ninja Pro Traders. It's Friday, April the 7th. It's about 6:15 Central Standard Time. Let's get started. We had a nice little fun last night as we took out an airfield in Syria. Markets initially dropped from rumors. Coming off here, we had open at 23.55. They kind of popped up for just a second, 56.50, and then rumors started, and of course the rumors were true. Headed straight down to overnight low of 36.75, and then we just slowly worked our way back up. I think part of the realization that he just went after the airfield, that being President Trump, and that's all. So we'll see what happens today. We recovered from that. We're back up here, right back at the open. You can see that's how we ended the day yesterday, just consolidating in the afternoon. And we're looking right here over at the overnight high again at 56.50. If we can break through this open, break through this, it's pretty close together here. So we're just going to call it about the same. Got a breakthrough. This is yesterday's zone right up into yesterday's high of 61.50. So once we get up to here, look for this double top, watch for this to reset, come all the way back down here, all the way down to 55. And depending on if the sellers or buyers are going to take back control, this is going to be key area fight today up between the 60 and 55. So this could be a rough area to get through. And if we can punch through this 61, 62 area up in here, get a chance to move right up to the next zone, uh, look for it to turn around and come right back down, test the top of the zone, and right back up into this 65 zone again. Now, here we go again. We've got to get through this 65 through 70 over to 71. All right, if clearing the 71 will allow us to move up into the 75 area. If we don't break this 70 area and move to 71 and stay there, then we're going to fall right back down to this trap, continue our normal consolidation at this point, and just keep going sideways. Now, if we get to the 75 again, look for a retracement back to about the 70, and then push right back up to 80 area, and then on up into 82 and 83, and we'll, same stuff up to there, 88, then up to the 23.95 area. All right. Not likely to happen today, that's for sure, but that's where we're headed at some point. Now, let's look at the downside. We're right here at 23.55 at the open as we push. If this fails with a little top, double top, we're just going to consolidate, I think, here till morning between this zone and somewhere between 50. So about a 5 point range right in here. You can look for short scalping opportunities. If we come all the way back down to this zone and test the 24-hour VWAP, again, look for it to come back up and probably move right back up and test this structure low over here at 54 or 49, I should say, at 49.50, and then come right back down and drive down through this zone again, and then come back and retest the 24-hour VWAP wherever it's at. It might be still right around the 48, 46 area, but it'll test that and then drive straight down to the top of this zone, bottom of yesterday's. All right. We could reverse anywhere between the 39 and 36. If we get to this double bottom, odds are we're going to have a big reversal and move to back to the upside. Now, if sellers really step in and this double top retraces back up into here, they're going to drive right back down and push it down. We'll be heading down to the 30s at 25 and going into this weekend, heading back down to this down to 2320. So let's be cautious of all that. So let's take a look at the big picture. Market profile here, and here's the same picture we've been looking at. All right, we've got the daily chart up here. As you can see, all we're doing, we're still consolidating in this area between 42 and 61. Kind of a big area, but that's kind of what we're doing. Here, we've got to break out of this. We got to hit this zone at 62. It goes up to 70. We've got to clear that zone. You can see we've made an attempt here. It didn't work. We've got to do that in order to move right on up to these next levels, 82 to 91, and then full retracement up here at 2400. More likely scenario at this point is we keep consolidating sideways and possibly go down and touch that. We almost touched that 38.2 yesterday. Yeah, some people might have it right on that line. If that's the case, then we could get this good bounce off of here. That's why it bounced here, and we could get that case to drive on up. If we have it, look for it to drive all the way back down. We're going to probably look down to the 50% level, 23.17. So in the near future, if this doesn't get through this area in the next couple tries. All right, let's look, drill down to the, oops, where's my chart at? 4 hour chart, and you can see exactly what happened. We've been consolidating sideways again. Here on the 6th, you can see this big drop down. But this 42 level held. We talked about that right back up to the 60 level. Perfect opportunity for swing traders, and this whole chart's just been beautiful. And then back down to here at 42 of re-entry, moving to the long side. So we're probably looking to test the 60. Well, can we break through and hit up to the 67 and 70 and get through this other zone? Remember that. All right, if you've got any questions, contact Frank at TriStalkers.com and have a great day.